Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting the keyboard and making Waveform see it. In Preferences MIDI devices, enable the device and allow input. This links physical keys to the software. Once enabled, create a new MIDI track, assign the track input to the keyboard, and select Auto or Record as needed. Make sure Monitor is set so you hear playback. This step matters because without a routed input, notes won't reach instruments, so confirm lights, channel, and device names match before playing. Next, assign a virtual instrument to receive the keyboard's MIDI. Insert a VSTY or built-in synth on the MIDI track and verify the plugin receives MIDI input. Once done, set the MIDI channel, transpose or octave shift when necessary, and adjust the velocity curve to match your playing dynamics. Also route the instrument's audio output to the main mix or bus and arm the track for recording. Doing this ensures the sound path is complete, so your keys trigger a plug. Finally, record your performance with metronome and pre-roll active for tight timing. Hit record and play. Once recorded, open the MIDI editor to trim, quantize, or humanize notes. Quantize 1/4 or 1/8 cautiously so you don't lose feel. Export or bounce when satisfied. If you get no sound, troubleshoot. Confirm the keyboard is enabled in Preferences, the track input matches the device and channel, and audio buffer/driver settings are correct. Restart Waveform if routing remains stubborn.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.